deal.
We got a hole right in front here.
Pretty nice hole.
Can we drop right off this cliff?
I'm gonna try and videotape us going down. You guys do that?
We need him?
No,
No front right.
Of course not, dude.
Be aware.
Down hard. Hard. Next right. Next right. Forward. Woo! Back left. That's it. Forward. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Good work, gentlemen. That was awesome.
Good communication.
Good job.
That was great. That was a good promo right there.
We tried to come in a little sideways.
I know, a little bit.
A little imbalanced.
The one without the name is as big as Bomo. No big deal. No big deal.
Nice work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some of them.